Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at how to upgrade to level 5 and to get it from your downline members. Right, so this is the upline, it's user number 4, and we're going to upgrade a member to level 5. So you can see that the first position is already occupied, so the next open position is slot number 2. That's slot number 1, slot number 2. Now the position I want to upgrade is 36 and it is on this wallet. As you can see 36. Right, he is on level 4 already. So before we go there, I just want to show you that the inviter of 36, and we have to go to search, is number 4. So it always goes to your upline, and if that upline is not qualified, it goes to the next upline. But you can see that 36 is user referred by number 4 and he is on level 4 already. So we want to upgrade it to level 5. As you can see, he's on level 4 now. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the wallet itself. There is enough funds in the wallet, 0.01601. Right, the 01 extra 01 is just for this little gas fees, which is not even 1 cent. Right, then we're going to press upgrade and confirm the transaction. Process and you'll get upgrade confirmed, refresh to see the new active level. Alright, so in this case we're gonna go to the upline, we're gonna go to search and put in number 4 and search it. That we will see that on user it's number level 5. So there it landed, 36 came in there, so that means it's a direct. No, it actually landed in spot number or slot number 2, routed 2 up. This is very interesting. Routed 2 up, which is 4, is number 2's inviter, and then number 2's inviter is number 1. So it went to number 1 and it fell. We have to go and look there now on level 1's or user 1's position 5, level 5. That spilled down again, probably in position 7, 10 or 13 on level 5 or 1, and it came back and it landed here and it paid number 4 again. So that is very, very interesting. Now let's see, let's go to 1, let's search 1. Remember, you can search any position here. Right, there is number 1, and we're going to see on level 5. Yes, position number 13, which spills down to the left, 2 levels to the left. Now, how do you read those 2 levels? You're going to go to the referral tree. 2 levels to the left is, this is level 1. It would have been under number 2, but it's 2 levels, so it's under position number 4, as we saw there now. Right, so that is how you can read your matrix basically and determine where your positions will land. Now, that one surprised me as well, because I thought it was going to go straight to number 1, but it did go to number 1 and I didn't check there. So it went to position number or slot number 13 on user 1's level 5, which is this one here. And it landed there and it's pulled down to 2 positions. You can see it gives it exact time as well if you press on the icon. Time and date that it landed there, 9th July. Right, so it will always follow the upline. If the upline is not qualified, it will look for the next qualified upline. So slot 2 spills up 2 levels, looking for the eligible upline. If there is no eligible upline, it goes to the treasury wallet. Right, or it routes back to number 1 and then If it falls on slot 1 or slot 2, it goes to the treasury wallet. Right, so that is how you upgrade a position and how you can determine where, or look where it did go and fall. Let's see. Now it is refreshed now, it will show level 5, yes. So next upgrade for this 36 is to level 6. Alright, thank you very much. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe and consider joining X3. All the information will be in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you.